Starting around 30 September 2023, AMP truly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP generally has a sort of complete market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This makes AMP, for the most part positioning at 193 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP really be by and large worth in 2023, which for the most part is very critical. Is AMP a genuinely wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical? Will AMP cost generally outperform its untouched essentially high amazingly? These in every way that really matters are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. AMP value expectation 2023, as per the AMP conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost certainly is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of $0.003, the normal sort of least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to for the most part be $0.003, which sort of is genuinely huge. Besides, AMP can generally arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.003. AMP value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the very greatest cost for AMP could basically stretch around $0.003. Moreover, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 most certainly is $0.003 with an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.003 in a sort of enormous manner. AMP value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP especially is gauged to basically be at around a really least worth of $0.003 in every practical sense. Further appearance how AMP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the extremely greatest cost for AMP could generally stretch around $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. The AMP value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of $0.003, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, or so they most certainly thought. AMP value conjecture October 2023. The AMP estimate for October 2023 expects that the AMP may sort of arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.003, with an essentially least cost of around $0.003, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Discussing the extremely normal value AMP can in every practical sense stretch around $0.003 for October in a fundamentally large manner. AMP value figure November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at the very least worth of $0.003, while the really greatest anticipated cost certainly is around $0.003, or so they basically thought. The really normal cost for AMP essentially is in every practical sense anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.003 in November 2023, or so they for the most part thought. The AMP value worth can generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.003, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in every way that really matters. Further appearance how AMP value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP sort of is gauged to basically be at around a truly least worth of $0.003. Genuinely further appearance how AMP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the sort of greatest cost for AMP could sort of stretch around $0.003 in an exceptionally significant manner. AMP pretty past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto all things considered, has been essentially diminished by 6.66% in its especially current worth, which especially is very huge. In the event that we certainly look at the essentially current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap by and large is likewise down. Fundamentally further appearance how AMP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, The sort of greatest cost for AMP could sort of stretch around $0.003 in a sort of huge manner. From sort of most recent 7 days the AMP truly was in every practical sense, great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.35%, showing how sort of is AMP and in every practical sense, wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very enormous manner. AMP truly has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be very great chance to dive right in and in a real sense put resources into an unpretentious way. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP for the most part diminished by 40.327%, wiping out an incredible pretty normal amount of $0.002 from its genuinely current worth, showing the way that the AMP value worth can by and large arrive at a really limit of $0.003, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a sort of good fundamentally purchase an open door for in every practical sense, speedy interest in a sort of significant way. The 90 days cost change truly is near 51.19%, and the value sort of flowed from a base exceptionally normal cost of $0.005 to sort of most extreme pretty normal cost of $0.005 in the beyond 90 days, so inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP in a real sense diminished by 40.327%, disposing of an astounding extremely normal amount of $0.002 from its kind of current worth. Showing the way that the AMP value worth can by and large arrive at a by and large limit of $0.003, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars. AMP certainly is somewhere near 23.25% with the in every practical sense, greatest especially normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0.003, and the truly least genuinely normal cost of sort of was around $0.003 in certainly beyond 4 months, showing that AMP value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the very most extreme cost for AMP could generally stretch around $0.003 amazingly. AMP value estimate 2023 facts what will explicitly be AMP kind of worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The AMP cost fundamentally is estimated to arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $0.003, with kind of least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023, showing how AMP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the kind of greatest cost for AMP could explicitly stretch around $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Does AMP basically have a future in a truly significant manner? As far as value, AMP generally has an exceptional kind of potential to arrive at new levels in an